Hello, my dear students, and a very warm welcome to our today's. In our today's session, we are going to practice set 22 from chapter number 8, that is division. Practice set 22 is based on the divisibility test. Now let's see what exactly this practice set 22 contains. In the practice set, we have just one question. Now let's see it. There are some flowering trees in a garden. Each tree bears many flowers with the same number printed on it. Now, what did we get from this, children? That there is a garden in which there are certain flowering trees, and on each tree there are certain flowers which have same number. Like suppose let's take this is a tree, and on this tree you are having certain flowers, okay, and suppose one flower is having number 1. So then all flowers will be having the same number, that is 1. That is, on the same tree there are flowers which are containing the same number. Then three children took a basket, each to pick flowers. Now, as like all children love the flower, there were three children who were also loving the flowers. And what they did, in order to collect the flowers, they went to the garden. Now, to collect the flowers, they have taken a basket. Now, let's see what special we have with the baskets. Each basket has one of the numbers, that is 3, 4 or 9. See children, like the children who have entered the garden, they were having the basket, and on each basket there were the numbers written. On one child's basket it was written 3, on one's it was written 4, and one it was written as 9. Each child picks those flowers which have the number divisible by the number on his or her basket. Now see, these children were, along with being the lovers for flower, they were also loving maths. So what they decided, when we will not pick the random flowers, what we will do, we will play a maths game. They decided that they will pick the flowers which are divisible with the number on their basket. Then he or she takes only one flower from each tree. Now, can you tell which numbers the flower in each basket will have? So, we have to decide. Firstly we will visit the garden where these flowering trees are there, and then we will decide that in which basket which flower is going to go. Now children, let's visit the garden. Here we are. Like, you are able to see on each tree there is certain number written in the particular flower. So that means what? That particular tree contains flowers, or that particular tree has the flowers with the same number. Now, as like the baskets are suggested, they are having the numbers 3, 4 and 9. Okay, so what we have to do is, from this given flowers, we have to shortlist the numbers which are divisible by 3, 4 and 9, and then we have to plug the flowers and insert into the respective baskets. Now let's start doing this. Here we have basket number 3, and here we have the flowers. That is the numbers which were present on that particular flower. Now, for what is the divisibility test for 3? If we have to check whether the given number is divisible with 3 or no, we have to add the number of digits, whatever it is there. And if that addition is coming in the table of 3, then we can say that the number is divisible by 3. Now let's add this 1 plus 1 plus 1. We get 3. So that means what? 3 is coming already in the table of 3. So here the first flower which is entering the basket 3 is 111, that is 111. Now let's add this. 4 plus 3 is 7, and 7 plus 5 will be 12. Again which comes in the table of 3. So here I will be writing it as 435. So the second flower which enters basket number 3 is 435. Then let's add this. 3 plus 5 is 8 and 8 plus 6 is 14. But 14 won't come in the table of 3. So this flower will get no place in basket number 3. Then let's check for 220. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 also won't come in the table of 3. So even 220 will not come in the basket number 3. Then let's add this. 3 plus 6 is 9 and 9 plus 9 is 18 and 18 is coming in the table of 3. So here we have the third flower in the third basket, that is 369. Then let's check for 432. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 comes in the table of 3. So here we have fourth flower, that is 432. Then let's check for 249. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15 and 15 comes in the table of 3. So the next flower to enter is 249. Then 666. If we add 6 3 times, we will get 18 and 18 comes in the table of 3. So the next flower is 666. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 9 comes in the table of 3. So the next flower which enters the basket is 450. Then 960. 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 0 is again 15. So even 960 will come in the basket number 3. Then 999. It will be 27. 27 comes in the table of 3. So let's write it down. 7 plus 2 is 9. So even 72 is going to come in the table of 3 or in the basket 3. 3, 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. So even 336 will come in the basket number 3. Then 123. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6. And 6 comes in the table of 3. So here you write down 123. Even 90. 9 plus 0 is 9. So 90 will also come in basket number 3. And let's check the last number 108. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 8 is 9. And we know that 9 comes in the table of 3. So we will enter the flower number 108 into the basket number 3. So in this way we are going to verify the divisibility test. Now let's check the divisibility test for 4. Now let's count how many flowers are coming in basket number 4. Now what is the divisibility test for 4? Just you need to check the last two digits. If the last two digits are coming in the table of 4, then that flower is going to enter our basket 4 or else no. Now here we have 11 and 11 never comes in the table of 4. So this 111 won't have a place in basket number 4. Then 35 also won't come in the table of 4. Then 56. Yes, 56 comes in the table of 4. So we will be writing 356. That is 356 is the first flower to enter basket number 4. Then next is 20. 4 5 is 20. So we will write flower number 220. Then 69. No, 69 won't come in the table of 4. So 369 won't have a place in basket number 4. Then next is 432. 32. 4 8 is 32. So here we will write 432 in basket number 4. Then 49 won't come in table of 4. 66. Even 66 won't come in the table of 4. Then let's check for 50. Even 50 won't come in the table of 4. Then 60. Yes, 60 comes in the table of 4. So why? Because 15 fours is 60. So 960 will come here. 99. No. 72. Let's check. Yes, 72 also comes in the table of 4. So 72 will come also come in the basket number 4. Then 4 9 is 36. Children, just you need to check is the last digits. Okay. So then 123. 23 won't come in the table of 4. Then next we have 90. Okay, 90 also won't come in the table of 4. Then we have 08. Yes, 4 twos is 8. So even 108 will come in the table of 4 or it will come in the basket number 4. So in this way, children, while picking the flowers, you have to verify the divisibility test. Now for 9. For any flower to enter the basket number 9, what we have to do? We have to add the number, and if the addition is coming in the table of 9, then that flower can enter our basket 9, or else no. Now let's add 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, and 3 won't come in the table of 9. So 111 have no place in uh, basket number 9. Then let's see this 435. Okay. 435, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. So even 435 won't come. Then 3 plus 5 is 8, and 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 won't come in table of 9. So no place. 2 plus 2 is 4. This also won't come. Then let's add this. 3 plus 6 is 9, and 9 plus 9 is 18, and 18 comes in the table of 9. So the first flower to enter basket number 9 is 369. Then let's check 432. 4 plus 3 is 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9. So the next flower, here it comes. It is 432. Then let's add 249. 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 plus 9 is 15. It won't come in the table of 9. Then 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18, and it has to come in the table of 9. So the next flower in the basket 9 is 666. 4 plus 5 is 9, and 9 plus 0 is again 9. So the next flower which enters basket 9 is 450. Then 9 plus 6 is 15, and no, 15 won't come in table of 9. Then here we have a triple 9. 9 plus 9 plus 9, it is 27, and 27 comes in the table of 9. So it will enter basket number 9. Then here we have 72. 72 itself comes in table of 9, or 7 plus 2 is 9. So here I will be writing it as 72. Then 336. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6, 12. No, it won't get a place in basket 9. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this will be 6. So even this will not get a place. 9 plus 0 is 9. This we will write 90. Then 108. 1 plus 8 is 9. So even 108 will come in basket number 9. So in this way we have checked the divisibility test for 9, and then we have entered the flowers in basket 9. I hope children everyone has got the lecture very clearly, and now you are able to use the divisibility test. Now let's recall certain things. After seeing the lecture, now you have to tell how many flowers did we collect in basket number 9 after checking the divisibility test for 9. You're going to drop the answer into the comment section. Thank you for being throughout the session, children. If you have loved today's session and if you feel like it is useful, so you can completely free to share it with your friends. Thank you.